Assemble Protocol ASM is an Ethereum-based utility token that powers Assemble platform, which is a platform where users and merchants can aggregate, manage, and spend reward and loyalty points. Many experts and traders believe that Assemble Protocol has been a great investment for a long time. Surprisingly, the value is increasing, therefore, it is guaranteed that the investment will yield a good return. Since its launch, Assemble Protocol has revolutionized several sectors, many regulators have approved the coin, and a team of specialist developers is working hard to promote it and increase acceptance. Assemble Protocol currently stands at $0.12, with a market capitalization of $81 million, making it rank 481 in the most valuable coins list. ASM has a 24-hour volume of $84 million according to Tech News Leader Price Index. The price value of Assemble Protocol has changed 38.38% in the previous 24 hours. In last 7 days, the price of ASM has a change of 18.73%. It is limited to a maximum supply of 680 million coins. ASM will be seen as a better option, and with the huge community, Assemble Protocol price will touch new highs. The price fluctuations are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2021, the price of Assemble Protocol will be almost $0.093, the maximum price that we can get is 10 cents. Assemble Protocol average price forecast at the end of 2021 can be around $0.097. A huge price turnover is expected within the range defined by the crypto market. So, please feel free to share your thoughts with me in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, then please like this video and leave a comment in the comment section.